Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we bring to you CABINTAINER 480. This is a modern one-bedroom shipping container cabin designed using a 40-foot and a 20-foot shipping containers. Stay tuned as we give you an inside tour of this amazing shipping container house design. Good, welcome back. This video covers a complete presentation of dimension drawings, a cost estimate checklist to help you estimate the cost of your own shipping container house, 3D floor plans, and full color pictures of the interior design. We post weekly videos of modern homes designed using shipping containers with stunning configurations to create bespoke designs for any family home. Feel free to subscribe to our channel for our inspiring weekly videos on amazing design ideas from shipping containers and existing shipping container homes from around the world to get you inspired. Without further ado, let's get started. The design concept: in this design, we are using two shipping container modules to create a 480 plus square feet CABINTAINER 480. The 20-foot shipping container is placed midway parallel to a 40-foot shipping container with a 1-meter gap in between to help increase the habitable space of this amazing cabin. The remaining space halfway in front of the 20-foot shipping container provides a covered entrance porch and an outdoor living space for the cabin. Design brief. This gorgeous container cabin made from two containers innovatively accommodates the following salient features. From the amazing outdoor living space, which acts as an entrance porch, you get into an open plan living space that comprises of a spacious lounge. We have an L-shaped open plan kitchen and a small dining table that can seat a maximum of 6. From this open plan living space, you can access a private outdoor space in form of a Juliet balcony. Right at the entrance lobby, you can also get into a private wing of the house, which comprises of spacious bedroom with adequate wardrobe space. The bedroom is also provided with a full height sliding glass door that provides ample lighting and also that allows you to access directly the outdoor living space. We have a full bathroom with a shower in a glass cubicle, a wash and basin, and a toilet. We also have a small laundry space accessed from that private lobby. Foundation design. These two containers sit on a steel pier foundation, which helps us to elevate this cabin off the ground. This light foundation permits continuous airflow, which helps us to keep the container cool during hot weather. It also helps to keep the containers away from moisture and water, and also allows us to do plumbing with ease. The foundation underside is covered with a mesh wire to help us keep animals from perching under the house. For more information on foundation design, you are encouraged to go through our previous video on the top 5 foundation types used in shipping container homes and buildings to help you understand more. Structure and modifications. Generally, the roofs and walls of shipping containers are structural and load-bearing. However, containers are designed to be loaded only at the corners. Any other intermediary loading must be reinforced. Cutting out too much steel from the walls to create doors and windows will obviously interfere with the structural integrity of shipping containers. In this regard, as our design principle, Shelter Mode Homes designs, we do not tamper with the roof and the floor of our shipping container modules. In this design, we've used optimal sized windows and doors which require no specialized modification to the walls of the shipping containers. However, the internal walls of the open plan living space have been cut out to create the openings for this seamless living space. In this regard, the openings will require additional reinforcement to take care of the removed corrugated walls. The roof of this shipping container is fitted with solar panels and solar hot water heating panel to support the sustainable energy use of this cabin. Outdoors and exterior design. The main entrance to the cabin is under the covered outdoor living porch, which offers a protected entry to the cabin. This design retains the original container cargo doors, which create private Juliet balconies fitted with full-height sliding glass doors that can allow us to access the private balcony and also offer maximum daylighting, which also gives us a seamless connection between the indoor living space and the outdoor surroundings. As a sustainable design statement, you are encouraged to consider leaving the exterior of the shipping containers with its original color and markings to help you preserve its charm and history. The 1 meter gap in between the two shipping containers is covered with timber cladding, and the frontal facade is fitted with a full-height main entrance door. Furniture and interior design. Fitting furniture into a shipping container home can be a challenge since most standard furniture hasn't been designed for such small spaces. In this design, you are encouraged to use multifunctional transforming furniture which will help you to effortlessly allow the spaces to perform more than one function. For example, you can use sofa beds in the living space which can transform it into a bed space that can be used to accommodate more guests. In order to minimize the claustrophobic feel of living inside a shipping container box, consider giving a monochrome light colored finish on your walls, and also consider using similar materials for the kitchen backsplash and the bathroom walls. You can also use flat pack cabinets for the kitchen and the wardrobes. Feel free to go through our previous video on the top 10 modern space saving furniture design ideas for shipping container homes. On insulation and temperature control, the climate of your location will determine the type of insulation material to use in your shipping container house. If you live in a cold environment, consider using an insulation material that will help you keep away the cold and moisture from your shipping containers. Closed cell spray foam insulation is a good alternative since it has good moisture barrier properties and also it has good R values. For tropical climate, keeping away heat from your shipping container house is of paramount importance. You can check out our previous video on the top 8 insulation and temperature control strategies for shipping container homes for more understanding. We've also provided you a cost estimate checklist, which is basically an itemized checklist that can guide you on the things you need to consider when planning for your own shipping container project. So feel free to go through the list. If you find that things that are not required in your project, feel free to remove them and add those things that you feel are missing so that you can have a complete list for your project. If you love this design and you would wish to build one as a DIY project, you can buy blueprints from our website sheltermod.com. The drawing set includes dimensioned floor plans, a roof plan, foundation plan, elevations, and section details. You can also contact us on our social media pages. We are on Facebook, we are on Twitter, we are on Instagram, and we are also on Pinterest. Search the word shelter mode and you will be able to find us, and feel free to contact us or send us a message and we will respond appropriately. So, what do you feel about this amazing house cabin design? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. If you need further inspiration, feel free to visit our YouTube channel where we have over 100 videos on amazing container homes designs. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.